name is Brian Gambardella at MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're on the Scout 21 XSF. This is powered by a 200 Merc, gets you over 45 miles per hour. We have 14 rod holders on this boat. You've got a nice fold-out seat on those days you don't want to go fishing or when you're running out to the grounds. This stows away very nicely, just like that. In this hatch here, you have access to your bilge pumps and more storage. Coming over on the port side, you have a nice live well that's aerated and drains out with a macerator pump. Working our way towards the helm, we've got a nice Garmin display, a beautiful Lumar wheel with the knob, Mercury controls, and Fusion radio. You have these beautiful flush-mounted cleats. Scout loves thinking about the details and does it very well. You have nice stowable backrests for when you're running or it's rough out. And you have a very large drained fish box with a table underneath for days you want to entertain and not fish. If you are interested in buying the Scout 21 XSF, contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.